Okay, so listen, you at the right place, the right time with the right chef. So you can be cooking with me this Christmas. And this is what your Christmas dinner is gonna look like. You see all of this deliciousness on the table? This is gonna be on your table. This is gonna be like our elevated version of bread pudding, but Christmas kind of a style. So instead of making the fruit cake, we're gonna make our fruit tea bread pudding. It's almost like a rum bread pudding, but it has all of the textures and the flavors of some of the textures and flavors that you would have in a fruit cake. So here's some of the fruit. This is like a cup of that mixed fruit. I marinated it in some rum. You could use either some Bacardi or Myers rum if you don't have that, or you could use some John Watlin's. Any one of those beautiful rums, dark rum, spice rum. Yes, that's what you would want. You want it to get to the point that and you could even leave it overnight so that the fruits itself could absorb and be rehydrated by, oh yum, this smells so good. Uh, does that make me alcoholic? But this does smell good though. Give me some craisins. I think craisins is a good addition. All right, so what we're gonna do, let's start with this. I'll put this in the bowl. We got our very drunk fruits in the bowl. Gonna add some eggs. I probably would have put 3, 6. No craisins right in front of you, next to the brown sugar. Okay. Thanks. It's okay. All us hungry. All right. So I'm gonna add a little bit of craisins in there as well. That's because again we have a very big budget. It's very extensive. We can splurge on things like this, right? So I'll just put like a handful of those in there. Now, if you want to put nuts, you can put nuts in yours as well. You like nuts? Yeah. Oh. Very nutty. I have nuts. I got nuts just around just because. And they don't taste like chemicals, you know? Like if you don't use them after a while, they taste like Exhibit A. But here we go. Gonna chop a couple of walnuts. And definitely just a handful. I'm gonna throw those in there. Okay. All right. So now pumpkin pie spice and some cinnamon. Let's add some liquid. This is 1 cup of cream. This is 2 cups of heavy cream. Gonna add 7 of these medium eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eggs. And I can do that because I'm a professional. This is a cup of packed brown sugar, dark brown sugar. Where is the love for the little teaspoon I love so much? You know, me and this teaspoon having a love-hate relationship today. So, what I'm gonna do instead, since my teaspoon keeps on hiding, I'm gonna add this is like a half a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. You know what? Hold on. Half a table of cinnamon, half a tablespoon of cinnamon. And just these. I'll say I'm gonna add also a tablespoon and a half of vanilla. Okay. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Now I'll do this so that you don't have to. Mm. Ooh, yum. It tastes rum. That's what I taste. And now excitement was just, I'm just aware, Do we have nutmeg? I'm sure we do. Nutmeg over there.
Question. If they had the right machinery, you could at this point just stop and put this in an ice cream maker, right?
Yes and no. Yes, and what you would want to do though, um, probably put over a double boiler.
Right?
Hmm?
Right?
Yeah.
Where's your sense of adventure? Where's your spirit of adventure?
Take all the fun out of it.
Yeah. We are the precipice of inventing fruitcake ice cream.
And
Ice
now,
cream, and you there talking
now
about
worrying about
salmonella.
salmonella and thing.
Nigga talking about salmonella.
Salmonella.
I
Yeah.
said
Oh, that would be banging.
at this
I
point,
believe it.
ice cream. Yeah, this is ice cream.
Yeah.
It's just not, churned yet.
Yeah. 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 So wimpy. I'm gonna grate a little bit of nutmeg. Yeah, man, we eat direct. We eat raw eggs all the time. What you talking about? Hey, you don't eat raw eggs. I'm gonna make you some tartar in a minute. Oh man, I could smell like the nutmeg saying hi to the rum. It's like, where you been, Rachel? Okay. Now this is good. This is good. This is good. If you follow that, yeah. I can smell it. I could tell when, even just from the smell, when things like they like right on point. So this is how much rolls? 9? Oh yeah. Wait, it was 3 more, right? Okay, come. Give me those. No, You got a whole different stuffing budget. Okay, there you go. So let me show you what this is. So I got some of these clusters from Special Blend from Purity. Shout out to Purity Bakery. They get that good bread. If it wasn't that, then the Danish dough would have worked perfectly as well. I have some snickering in the corner. Danish dough works fine. At least Danish dough even works better because it has like a bit more character and some sweetness in it. But the brioche dough also works beautifully with this. They have like some with raisins, and they have some, I don't know if they may have some with coconut or something, I don't know. But this is gonna be the perfect sponge that's going to pull all of our delicious flavors and fruitcake together in a fruit bread pudding. Yes?
And we do it with my Grammy homemade bread.
Yes. Preferably.
You got to stop when you get it. I'm not
Oh, okay. Yeah. Now, if you, let's say you don't have this beautiful brioche bread, you could use any old bread. Basically, that was the whole idea of bread pudding. It was something that you would do with your old bread, a day old bread, a couple of days old bread, menopausal bread. I don't know. Wherever your bread may fall in the line of things old. this is this is the dish for you. So okay, so I'm gonna spray this cake pan. And after a nice spraying, you need a rubber spatula. There you go. And the flavors that's in the liquid are gonna give the bread pudding the flavor that it gets. So like I said, the bread just becomes a canvas for flavor. It's almost like the liquid is the artist. and it turns the canvas into something beautiful, something that never existed before, something delicious and memorable, something that could change your life for the rest of your life. This is the kind of bread pudding would get you married if you don't have a significant other. This is like, oh man, yeah. Okay, so you see what happened now? The liquid, it's being absorbed by the bread, and all I could smell in this is Christmas. I smell the flavors. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a second because I want it to love on itself. Okay, and we're gonna take this beautiful and pour this out into the cake pan. Yes, we will. Okay. Slot. Guess we'll do it. There you go. So this is one of those things that you don't necessarily need to pat down because it's going to come down by itself. And there you go. And to this, I'm going to slide this into the oven, 350 degrees until it gets nice and puffy, and then it'll come back relaxed, and then this will be good to go. Delicious! That is that madness, I say. And we rolling. Okay. All right. So bread pudding is out. I let it cool. Let the temperature come down. We let it relax. It's puffy, and it just retracted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the ring off and see how this looks. This is so sexy. All right, so this is a little bit of powdered sugar. I'm gonna dust with this. Oh yeah. Christmas mood. Hashtag whole mood. Okay, so let's do this. Just dust it just a little bit more. Just so some flakes be on the side of the plate as well. And there. This is our beautiful, you know what? Let's cut it. Just because. I really should have taken a photo of it with that. Oh, this is hurting. You know what? I still got it. You see that? Yeah, that's what we're doing. This is the plan. This is Christmas. No more fruitcake. Hold on. Wow. This reminds me of something that I once said. We had a conversation with somebody just the other day. And we were saying that there's a certain set of flavors that make a thing taste like a thing. And you think you love the thing, but you like the flavors that make the thing taste like the thing. The fruits and the rum in here makes this taste like fruitcake. I know this isn't fruitcake, but this tastes like fruitcake. If I close my eyes, I would think that this is a fruitcake, but not a dense, heavy, overly spiced one. But it tastes like fruitcake. That's crazy. That's crazy. And it's very easy. So I hope you do not only do this, but enjoy it. Yeah. Woo! That's dessert.